What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another online money hooks channel. I'm excited to do this video, guys, because I've got some really interesting stuff that can help you make a change in your life. Now, if you want to make some money online, not just some money, you want to make a long-term business online with affiliate marketing, with other programs, dropshipping and everything, stick right into this video. But I'm gonna be focusing on affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels and other products as well outside ClickFunnels that you guys can profit from. The reason that I decided to put this video out is that I really thought there's a lot of value in the several programs that I found that anybody can start off. I look around the internet and there's a lot of useless, crappy stuff that people are selling people on. So I like to bring about something that really can help you launch your affiliate marketing business. Even if you're a beginner from the start, you have no experience, you're just starting out like me, you have no product to sell, you have no affiliate marketing background, you have no marketing background, you're just starting out, but you really have that desire, that work ethic, and that faith saying you can do this. And I'm here to assure you, saying you be able to do this. So join me on this journey and stick around to this in this video, and I'm gonna be giving you some really cool free bonuses at the end of the video. So I'd love if you hit the like button down there somewhere and hit the subscribe button so you can be part of this journey and you can always have a notification and never miss out on any of my videos. So hit the subscribe button, help grow the channel. I would really appreciate that, guys. So let's dive right into it. So the reason I decided to put up this video is because of two really amazing programs that I came across that can help any affiliate marketer earn from 0 to 6 figures within a couple of months if you just stick to the process and implement whatever is taught in these two programs that I'll be presenting to you guys, because I really saw value in these two programs. And the first one is, it's a one-time offer course. You just have to pay, I think should be now $97. I got in when this was at $37. So I'll leave a link in the description to this course. It's called the Dream Car Profits. It's a Dream Car Profits course done by a multi-six-figure super affiliate, Job Caris. If you don't know who Job Caris is, he's one of the six-figure affiliate market earners and the Dream Car Challenge winner for ClickFunnels. If you don't know what a Dream Car the Dream Car Challenge is, it's a program by ClickFunnels where you promote ClickFunnels and you get 100 new ClickFunnels users and they will cover your car lease payments. So get just 100 new ClickFunnels users and we will cover the affiliate the car payments on your dream car. So here are some people that won the challenge and they get their dream cars paid for. So all these guys, Ty Lopez, Grant Cardone has been participating in this, Peng John, and one of them is, like I say, Job Caris, the guy that's doing this course, as you can see right here, and here's some of his affiliate earnings. As you go through, this is some social proof from people that took the course, 6-figure super affiliate. So he's earned over $100,000 just by promoting ClickFunnels, and on top of that, he was paid. As you can see, his dream car was paid for. So whatever your dream car is paid for gets to be paid for once you get 100 new ClickFunnels users. So sorry, I might jibber jabber from here to there. Hope you can follow through what I'm trying to put up here. So this is a course that I actually joined. I think should be a few weeks back, and it's really an amazing course. Like, he lays down the strategies you can use to be on this page right here, to be one of the 6-figure affiliate earners and win your dream car. So here's inside the course. I caught the course. This is inside the members area. It's around $97. If you want it, there's a link in the description. It will bring you to this page. When you come to this page, you can say yes, I want access here, or you can use this tab right here, and it will ask you for some details you can put in. Then you can purchase the course for it should be $97 as of now. It was $27 when it was pre-launching. That's when I got in. So I got in for pretty cheap, but it's a one-time offer. It's a one-time payment. Once you pay, you have it forever. So I'm in the members area right now, and dream car profits, course strategy overview, blogging with a twist, video SEO. It teaches you about video SEO, how to do the right videos on YouTube, what to talk about, how to structure your videos, subjects, the tags, and all that good stuff. AdWords, he teaches you how to do AdWords and being paid ads the right way, so that you can promote your offer outside there and get people purchasing in and get commissions along the way. And FB groups, he also teaches you, if you're just starting out, how you can set up and grow your FB group, how you can grow a tribe. He's also offering a coaching. He's offering you when you have so coaching. He offers you a free coaching where you can talk to him in person, you can message him, you can go on a call with him. Then there's also a bonus brand new automated strategy, multi streams of income, where he talks about how you can earn money through the legendary market affiliate system. If you know what it is, this is an amazing platform where people are making 6 figures with. He shows you exactly how you can utilize this into your affiliate marketing business as a beginner. The other program I want to talk about is the core. This is called the expert. This is called the expert launch. As you can see, into promoting. So this is one of the super affiliate testimonials saying the closest thing I've ever seen to printing money. So this guy right here is a guy that's created what I'm gonna give you guys as a free bonus, which is the secret affiliate machine. This is a funnel that's aimed to help you earn ClickFunnels new users, get trial signups, get people signing up, get new people into ClickFunnels, and eventually get 100 new users, and you can get your dream car. So the secret affiliate machine, the SAM funnel, I'll be giving it out to you for free. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get this. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I'd advise you to go through this funnel and just test through what's happening and sign up for ClickFunnels. And on top of this, I'm gonna give you some more bonuses on how you can get some really paid traffic to get you started. Some email marketing strategies, free email marketing swipes that you can send out to your list and all that. So let's talk about the expert launch call. So this is a 24-hour product launch. It teaches you how you can launch a product as a beginner within 24 hours from start to finish. Even if you don't have any online marketing background, you're not a marketer, you're new to making money online and all that, it teaches you from A, B, C, D till you launch your product and you start earning commissions. On top of that, guys, what this guy does is he's also got what he's calling the core funnel. Now, when you talk about the core funnel, this funnel actually helps you sell your product, set up payments and everything. So even if you're new, guys, how to promote your product, how to present it, how to build it up, how to put everything together, and the funnel is already done for you guys. So amount of stuff in this Damn, it's sick. Can't put everything in this video at once. All I'm gonna tell you guys is go right now, click the link in the description if you're serious about making money online. Click a link in the description and come here. Get this. It's only how much? $97. It's $97 per month. So you can either get Dream Car Profits, or you can get this at $97 per month, or you can get a one-time offer at $97 per month. But the advantage of the expert launch is you get continuous help. Like, there are always some improvements. So I just hopped in today and I found is another funnel called the Instagram link. This helps you get traffic from Instagram, get new users from Instagram onto the platform. So once people get into the platform, which is ClickFunnels, you earn a 40% commission on any sign up. So what am I saying here? All these guys here that got people to sign up, aside from just winning the Dream Car Challenge, they also earned $38 for maybe every person that signed up. So again, there are a lot of things that you can support, that you can access when it comes to this platform. If we go to the affiliate section, let me just go to the affiliate section. Affiliates. Where is that tab that I'm looking for? So I can go to affiliates. I don't know why it's not loading, but when you go to affiliate section, which is, as you can see, I've already earned about $18 in the last few days. So as you can see here, there are a lot of items that you can promote. The one funnel away challenge, which is one of the common tools, perfect webinar scripts, software scripts. You can promote the funnel university, the funnel catcher to $97, and you get how much? 40% commission. So for every $297 that you sell, you get a commission of about $118 or $117 for that. So yeah, I came here and I just joined, and somebody purchased something and I got $18 in commission. So I'm not going to talk about the secret affiliate machine much, but what I'm going to talk about is it's pretty easy to use. All you have to do is just come here and edit these sections. Okay, if you can go to my channel, right here is where I talk about more about the sum funnel, secret affiliate marketing setup, machine setup, and everything. But it's simple. Once you have a ClickFunnels account, because without a ClickFunnels account, you won't be able to access these funnels. And I'll be giving this funnel for free for anybody that signs up with ClickFunnels. There will be a link to ClickFunnels down the description somewhere. So let's just go have a quick walk through, so I don't leave you guys hanging somewhere and lost. So this is called the secret affiliate machine. So we're gonna go with the first step. So what happens when you have this funnel and you set it up and you put it online is you'll be sending traffic to this funnel. So what happens is the people that you're referring to come through to this funnel will come here and they'll put in their email address and their email there, their name, their email address. Once they've done that, they'll go to the next step. Sorry, not the next step. They'll go to the second step, which is step 2, where they have to launch a secret affiliate machine. Now what happens right here is they'll create their account. Once they're done creating the account, they'll come back here and they'll click next. Once they click next, it's going to lead them to the third page where they're going to import this funnel. They'll come here, they'll get this funnel, they'll go and get the affiliate links from the affiliate center, which is exactly somewhere here. This is the affiliate center they'll come to. They'll click affiliate tools to get their links, then it will take them to affiliate center. They'll come down here and they'll find their links. So these are links. So as you can see, commission breakdown, starter plan, 38.8 every month, on $18 every month. So every month you be gaining $118 for somebody that signs up for ClickFunnels, gets ClickFunnels hacks masterclass and all that good stuff. You know, all that. Money is sweet, guys. Money is sweet. So you've got all these resources that you can use to promote your offers and everything. Guys, if you're not promoting ClickFunnels, I don't know what you're doing with your life and making money online. Like, it's literally the best platform you can promote. People can build funnels using this platform. You can earn commissions, you can sell a product, you can sell a course, you can create a membership site and all that. So I would implore you to come here and take the chance and just try and promote ClickFunnels for a start. So what's gonna be happening, guys, I'm in a bit of a timestamp right now, so I won't be able to go through and finish this, but watch out for the next video. Please subscribe so that you won't miss the video I'll be doing tomorrow about how to set up your secret affiliate machine. I'll be going into more detail about I'll be showing you how to edit everything and all that. So if you want a SAM funnel, you have to go through the process. You have to go to the link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page. Once at this page, you can put in your email address. The next is you're gonna go, if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, you're gonna come here, get your ClickFunnels account, sign up. Once you're done, come back to this video and leave a comment in the description. I'll be glad to help you and whatever you need. And I'll leave a link to my group, to my Facebook group, so you can catch me in there. You can request to join a group and I'll be happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll do a more detailed video into SAM funnel tomorrow. I just had to do this quick video just to give you a presentation of what's going on with the affiliate marketing game, and I have to rush. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.